Hello and welcome to JD Bots. This is the bot series on Multicloud Chatbot. In this session, we are going to integrate custom question and answering to our Multicloud Chatbot. We have already integrated with CLU, that is Conversational Language Understanding. Now we are going to connect the custom question answering to this one. So let's go to the Language Studio, sign in. Alright, so here we have the multi-cloud CLU. Now we'll be connecting it to the custom question answering, that is this one. Okay, so select the language, English, next, project name, multi-cloud Q&A. So for the answer that is not found, we are going to change that to this particular response, that is, sorry, I didn't please try asking in a different way. Okay, next, let's review and create project. All right, for now we are just going to integrate with the chit chat. We are not going to use any custom data like URLs or any file source. Let's use the chit chat professional. So here you can see the progress, and yep, there we have. All right, so here are all the chit chats that the bot can answer. Now let's deploy the knowledge base. In the meantime, let me also go to the bot framework samples in order to see the guidelines to integrate with this custom question answering, because bot framework samples already have this particular sample with them. The one is custom QA bot, and another one was utilizing all the features of QA bot, this one. But we'll be making it very simple, that is custom QA bot. All right, so this is the implementation that is done, and yep, so we are going to add this particular implementation to our solution. And the best place to add is when none of the CLU intents are satisfied. In that case, we are going to add this particular CLU call. Okay, so at this place, this is a switch statement. Here on top of this default, we'll be adding all our intents, and in the default one, if none of the intents are satisfied, then we'll be handling them here. Okay, so in this case, we're going to call our custom question answering. Okay, let's implement that in utility service. What do you say? Okay, let's do that. Let's implement that in utility service. And get custom QA response async. We do not want to pass. Okay, we can pass. This is a text, and yeah, let's create a method there. Let's go there. So we got it created. Since the return type should be string or null, yeah, string or null. Let's go to our utility service, create a method. All right, so now let's create that. Let's add a, not now. Let me see the implementation first and then we can try to add try catch. So in the constructor, everything what is done is getting the configuration. The actual job is done over here. HTTP client factory, and where is the initialization of that? Yes, here it is. Okay, let's initialize this one. And now we can add this piece. And also let me see where they are creating the custom question answering client. So here they are creating that. Let me see where this is being called from. Okay, it's called from here only. Then we can directly copy paste the whole method. All right. Let's install the custom question answering. And what is the NuGet package name? This should be the one. During the video creation, I'm adding them in the utility class, but maybe in the behind the scenes, I'll just change that to some other locations, such as in the interfaces and the service class. Now I can import that custom question answering. Let's make the above method as async. Now I can get rid of the logger, or I can add that as well, the logger class. All right, then we have the logger. Let's pass on the step context and let this method handle everything. So what we'll be doing here, let's remove that and pass on directly the step context. Okay. And let's copy this parameters and put it in the IE utility service over here. And since there is no return type, we can just remove that. Similarly, modify the utility service and change the parameters here. And since there is no return type, just put task. All right. And here we can just send the step context dot context. Yep. And that should handle that. Similarly here, it is step context dot context, and here as well. All right. Now we need to get these fields, and let me set them up in the key vault. Before setting them in the key vault, let me set the static key value pairs in the app settings. So what I'll do, let me go back and see the structure app settings.json, and this is the one: project name, language, endpoint key. Let's go to our app settings for development, and custom Q&A. So here what I have done, I have created a custom Q&A object, and inside that I'll be adding all the Q&A related fields. Okay. All right. So let me just do this behind the scenes, like setting the project name, or let me show you how I do it. This is the first place, then I need to go to, and another place I need to go to the key vault as well, project name, and then I can copy paste the secret. So once I have added the project name, now I can go to my configuration explorer in the app configuration. I can copy paste this property name colon project name. So this is how I can add it. All right. Now I can utilize using this project name. What I can do, I can go to my utility service, and where is the project name property that I need to set? I think this is the one, knowledge base ID. Let me quickly check that sample. Yeah, that's the knowledge base ID. Okay, so here, get it from configuration, custom Q&A, and project name. All right, that is all how you need to follow it. Let me finish this all quickly, and then we can continue after a pause. All right, so I have added these three properties in the key vault as well as Azure app configuration. Now I can remove it from here and only keep these three static values. Okay, so now let's go back to our utility service and change these values. Yeah, display precise answer only, that I can get it from there. So how it Microsoft has got it, let's do that. So this is how they have got it: enable precise answer and display precise answer only. So what I need to do, I need to do it like this: bool.parse. Yeah, same way, custom Q&A, colon. Okay, and display precise answer only. Let's get it from here, and this should be the same way. All right, so this we have completed. Let's quickly check if we do not have any issues. Yep, that is all. Let's test it out. So greetings will be handled by the CLU. Let's say hi. Yeah, so greetings are handled by CLU. Okay. All right, so everything is handled by CLU for now. We need to change something. We need to tweak some scoring over here. All right, so we can change this in such a way. Let's see if CLU result dot get top intent dot score is greater than, let's say, let's keep a threshold to 80%, that is 0.8, then only execute this piece. Yeah, else get the result from our utility service. All right, so this should be working. Let's see. The first one you might be seeing why I need to send it twice, because that is restarting the dialog. So if you are in a loop, like if you're already in the dialog and if you're communicating with the bot continuously, then only you'll see this welcome message. Else, after like couple of minutes later or after the application has restarted, then you will see this message. Yeah, so let's see. I am feeling tired. I'm sure this answer is there in Q&A. Yep, there it is. I hope you're able to get some rest soon. That is great. For hi, hello, yeah, our CLU will be taken care of. For other ones, who are you? I think this should be answered there. No, it is not there. It's still targeting 80%. Let's see the custom question and answering and see what are the answers present. Do you get hurt? Let's see. Yep, it is coming. This is so boring. Let's try that. Okay, this seems to be something wrong. Let me put a breakpoint and then try to debug it. What is happening? I am sure that score of that should not be greater than 80%. Let me say hi first because we have restarted the conversation. Greeting it is 82%. That is really bad. Let's see where we are getting that wrong. For better score, let's make it 90%. That will be much better. Because this is what is recommended from Lewis as well as CLU. If it hits 90%, then only you perform certain action. Yep, here it is. For hi hello, this should be fine. Yes. Okay. Now for the questions that are also not present in Q&A, like this. Yeah, you see? Sorry, I didn't get that. Please try asking in a different way. This is the exact text. This is exact text that we have kept it in our custom question answering model when answer is not found. Yes. So, yep, that is all. Thanks, everyone.